The Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be an absolute game-changer in 2025, and if you're a Samsung fan, you're in for a treat. Imagine a phone that doesn't just deliver power, but a design that practically makes a statement. While we don't have official images yet, the leaks and renders we're seeing point to a sleek edge-to-edge display with nearly invisible bezels. You've heard it right. The S25 Ultra might just take bezel-less design to a whole new level, completely immersing you in its screen. And that's not all. The colors alone will make your jaw drop. We're talking titanium blue, titanium black, titanium white, and even a titanium gray with a hint of gold, each one crafted with an elegance that screams luxury. These colors aren't just options, they're choices for people who demand style and sophistication. But it's not all about looks. Samsung is going all in on features that can outshine rivals like the iPhone 16 Pro Max and Xiaomi 15. The S25 Ultra is rumored to bring back the 10x optical zoom that made the Galaxy S23 Ultra a fan favorite, while upping the ante with 50MP ultra-wide camera and a battery life that can go toe-to-toe with Apple. And let's not forget about the software. One UI 7 is set to deliver a smoother, faster, and more intuitive experience that could make Apple users rethink their choices. What really gets the heart racing is the expected 200MP main camera. Yes, you read that right, a 200MP sensor to capture every single detail, with 8K video recording at 30fps. Not only does it offer insane resolution, but the S25 Ultra promises a massive leap in overall camera performance, ensuring it will stand out as the new gold standard for smartphone photography. Imagine shooting video that looks like it was taken with professional-grade equipment, all from your pocket. But what good is all that power without solid durability? Samsung has gone above and beyond by integrating a titanium build with Corning Gorilla Armor Glass for ultimate protection, and an IP68 rating means you can rest easy knowing your phone can handle the elements. The 6.9-inch LTPO AMOLED 2X display will take your viewing experience to new heights with its adaptive refresh rate and incredibly sharp resolution. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy chipset, the S25 Ultra won't just be fast, it will redefine what we expect from smartphone performance. With up to 16 gigabytes of RAM and a storage option that could reach 1 TB, lag will be a thing of the past. This phone isn't just about speed and cameras, it's built for the future. With Android 15 and One UI 7 providing years of software updates, you'll be enjoying cutting-edge features for years to come. Plus, the fast charging capabilities mean you can juice up and get back to using your phone in no time. The rumored price for the base model is expected to be around $1,299, and if you're after the 1 TB variant, be prepared to shell out $1,659. But with all these features, it might just be worth every penny. As exciting as the specs are, Samsung is also bringing in something unique with its exclusive color options. We're talking about titanium jet black, a deep, sleek finish that stands out in the crowd, and titanium paint gold, a rare and classy shade that's sure to turn heads. These exclusive hues will only be available through Samsung's website, adding another layer of prestige to the S25 Ultra. It's not just about the specs, it's about expressing yourself with a phone that speaks to your personality. The S25 Ultra's design isn't just a visual treat. The integration of cutting-edge tech ensures that this phone won't just look good, it will be a powerhouse of performance. From a fast-charging 5,000 mAh battery to the high-speed connectivity options like Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.3, the S25 Ultra is geared to provide a seamless and future-ready experience. Whether you're streaming content, playing graphics-heavy games, or multitasking, the S25 Ultra will handle it all without breaking a sweat. The Galaxy S25 Ultra isn't just a phone. It's a statement of power, elegance, and innovation. It's more than just a device. It's a new way of experiencing technology. Whether you're using it for work, play, or capturing life's moments, this phone is built to keep up with your every move. If you want to be ahead of the curve, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is the phone to keep an eye on. With a stunning design, revolutionary features, and unmatched performance, it's set to redefine the future of smartphones. Be sure to subscribe, like, and comment below to let us know what excites you most about the S25 Ultra. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest leaks and news about this game-changing device. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more updates on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra.